The battle between the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and the iPhone 17 Pro Max is once again all about the camera. Samsung says its upgraded lenses and improved image processing should deliver noticeably better photos, especially in low light. But the big question is simple: are those changes enough to beat the iPhone? Over the past few days, I captured hundreds of photos with both phones. I tested them in bright daylight, at night, and in tricky mixed lighting conditions. The goal was to see which one consistently delivers better results in real life, not just on paper. Let's first talk about the camera specs. On paper, these two phones are actually very similar. Both the Galaxy S26 Ultra and the iPhone 17 Pro Max use a main sensor that is roughly 113 inches in size. That means they are working with comparable hardware when it comes to capturing light and detail. However, there is one important difference. The Galaxy S26 Ultra uses a faster f1.4 aperture lens, while the iPhone 17 Pro Max comes with an f2.1.8 aperture. In simple terms, the lower f number on the Galaxy means the lens can let in more light. This can help in low light situations and can also create a slightly stronger natural background blur. In daylight, both phones deliver excellent results. Photos are sharp, detailed, and full of vibrant colors. The Galaxy tends to produce slightly brighter images with punchier colors. The iPhone, on the other hand, often goes for a more natural look with balanced tones. Skin tones on the iPhone usually look very true to life, while the Galaxy sometimes adds a bit more contrast and warmth. When the light starts to drop, the faster f2.1.4 lens on the Galaxy begins to show its advantage. Night photos from the Galaxy S26 Ultra often look a bit brighter, with more visible detail in darker areas. Samsung's revamped image processing also plays a role here, reducing noise while keeping textures sharp. The iPhone 17 Pro Max still performs very well at night. It produces clean images with good dynamic range, but in extremely dark scenes, the Galaxy sometimes captures slightly more detail without needing as long of an exposure time. Now let's talk about zoom, where the biggest difference appears. The Galaxy S26 Ultra features two telephoto cameras, a 3x and a 5x lens. The 5x camera is especially impressive thanks to its larger sensor and better image quality. This setup gives the Galaxy more flexibility when zooming in on distant subjects. The iPhone 17 Pro Max uses a single 4x telephoto camera. This focal length is very versatile and works well in many situations. It sits right between Samsung's 3x and 5x options. In everyday use, the iPhone's 4x zoom produces sharp and reliable images. But when you push beyond that range, the Galaxy clearly has the upper hand. The dedicated 5x camera delivers more detail and better clarity at longer distances. For ultra-wide shots, the two phones are once again very close. Their ultra-wide cameras are similar in both sensor size and resolution. In good lighting, both capture wide scenes with plenty of detail and minimal distortion. The Galaxy may add a bit more brightness and contrast, while the iPhone keeps colors more neutral. It really comes down to personal preference. Selfie performance is also strong on both devices. The iPhone usually produces very consistent skin tones and natural-looking portraits. The Galaxy offers sharp selfies with strong detail and slightly more vibrant colors. Portrait mode works well on both, with good subject separation and pleasing background blur. So, does the Galaxy S26 Ultra take better pictures than the iPhone 17 Pro Max? In some areas, yes. The faster aperture and dual telephoto setup give Samsung an edge, especially in low light and long-range zoom. But the iPhone continues to impress with its natural color science, reliable results, and balanced processing. At the end of the day, both phones are top-tier camera devices. The Galaxy may win in zoom and extreme low light, while the iPhone shines with consistency and realistic tones. The real winner depends on what kind of photos you like to take and how you prefer your images to look.